Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to change line weight. So you can draw line objects, and next if you want to change line weight, you can select the line object, go to the properties, and then click on the line weight. So we default to be set into by layer. You can click to change, like I will set into 0,5. And if you want to show the line weight in drawings, you can go to status bar and then click this icon, toggle line weight on or off. Click to on. Can we change the line weight in your drawing? Okay, we'll select again this line and then go to the properties, click on line weight. Okay, we'll set into 1 and will be set against this line to another, like we set 2. And that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to change line weight.